little girl you are.
Say again.
You are being beaten with the comb. You should be screaming like the little girl you are.
I am no little girl, although
Yes,
I do have long
girl.
hair.
You.
And also very sexy too.
You are being beaten with the comb. You are being beaten with the comb.
I am not going to be beaten with the comb.
You are being beaten with the comb.
And you're going to be beaten with the baseball.
But you're being beaten with the comb.
The
Get out
comb?
of my car.
The comb don't do
Get
nothing.
out of my car.
The comb don't not. No, this is my
You'll
ball.
be beaten with the comb.
No, I take your ball. I beat
I
you up.
stop in the middle of traffic to beat you with the comb. Now get out of my car.
I beat your comb with the baseball.
I beat your camera with the comb.
The camera is what's making you famous.
I don't want to be famous. I just want to beat you with the comb.
No, you want to be famous.
Beat you with the comb.
You want to be
I
famous.
just going to beat you with the comb.
No, the comb.
The comb.
The comb do nothing. Baseball.
Shut up. Shut up, Kuta, shut up. I beat you with the comb. I beat you with the comb, so you
The comb don't do nothing.
you'll be feeling pain in the morning.
No, I get the baseball.
Now I beat you with the comb.
Ah, my finger.
I beat you with the comb.
Oh.
I beat you with the comb.
No, I use other baseball.
There's people. I beat you with the comb.
Now people. So Mike, you say bye.
There's people over there.
I get it. There's people over there, but say bye.
I beat you with the comb.